Hello guys, you're welcome back. So because we are in DIY season and I decided to give myself a home treat, so I started off by adding all these ingredients I sent in the video. So guys, as I finished adding everything, my spa treatment is ready. So guys, the next thing I did was to dip my feet into the hot water. At this point the water was so damn hot on my feet. The next thing I did was to dilute it a little bit. So after that I have to use my scrub to scrub my feet, and at the point it was not giving me what I want. It was whining me, so I now have to use an old knife to help me scrub my feet very well. And guys, it was really working. Like as you can see in the video, the scales were coming off, and it was a nice feeling really.
Picture perfect moments, gotta capture every shot. Sometimes I have fallen, but you call it shooting star. Rolling through.
So guys, after going through the process of scrubbing, I did it for about 2 times, and guys, my feet was looking so soft and succulent like so. Then after which I have to wash it with my shower gel. After washing it, the next thing to prepare a coffee mask that I use to scrub my feet. Coffee has an antimicrobial properties that protect the skin against germs. It's a great exfoliant and it makes them good at scrubbing away dead skin cells. So guys, I just hope you can try it and thank me later. I allowed the coffee scrub to stay for about 5 to 10 minutes, after which I washed off with cold water. Then the next thing I did was to apply my oil to further soften my feet. Then after which I have to wear my socks so that the oil can marinate and penetrate it. Guys, after a while I have to remove the socks, and guys, behold a supple and succulent sweet feet, and I feel so good about it. My feet was feeling so soft and light. Guys, I think you should try it. It's a very nice one. You don't need to spend much. You just use the ingredients in your kitchen to achieve this. So guys, this is basically what I did today, and I thank you so much for hanging there for me as usual. I love you guys. Love you.
You do make me feel like Hollywood.